I've got another question for you guys under geometry and trig. So we've got AC is equal to CD, so I'm just gonna tick those. And then EBC is equal to 45 degrees, and ACD is 104 degrees. What is the value of x? All right, zooming in on this to make it easier to see. And let's try to find all of these missing values so that we can get to our x. So the first thing I'm going to do is 180 minus 104, because I'm trying to find the angle next to it, which is 76 degrees. Then I'm going to go ahead and find the last value of this triangle by doing 180 minus 76 minus 45, which is equal to 59 degrees. So that by the vertical angle theorem, the angle below it is also equal to 59 degrees. Go ahead and write that, make it a little bit easier to see. All right, so what's next to do is recognize that because AC is equal to CD, angles A and D are going to be equal to each other. So all we have to do is 180 minus 104, which we already did, and we're going to go ahead and divide that by 2. And so each of those angles is going to be equal to 38 degrees. So now the last thing to do is do 180 minus 59 minus 38, and that leaves us with the value of 83 degrees. So x is equal to 83. And that is it for this question.